Hello everyone, welcome to ISCCM Studio Kitchen. My name is Pari Khosla and today I'll be demonstrating Murg Malai Tikka. It's a Mughlai dish from India, evolved under Persian and Mughlai influences. So now let's see the ingredients. You'll be needing 500 grams chicken boneless pieces. I've taken breast, then white pepper powder, cardamom powder, lemon juice, salt, garlic cloves, egg yolk, ginger garlic paste, cheese cubes, coriander stems, green chilies, fresh cream. Here I prepared the salad for it for the garnish, coriander, hung curd, and ghee. And let's start preparing our dish. This is the first marination. There are two marinations in the dish. So first I'll drain the water from the chicken. First we'll put some salt in the chicken. Then ginger garlic paste. This helps tenderizing the chicken. It's very important to do this step. Otherwise, the chicken won't come out tender and it won't be flavorful. So we have to keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then we'll prep our second marination. Now we'll be preparing the second marination. For that, we need fresh cream. Cubes. Make sure it's room temperature. Then ginger garlic paste. We have already used ginger garlic paste in our first marination, so be careful while using it. Then we'll be needing some coriander stems. Then we'll put some salt. Cheese also has salt, so make sure that you're putting less salt. Then we'll put some white pepper and cardamom powder. It also has sugar in it, so it'll balance out the flavor. Now we'll grind this. So we've grinded it into a smooth paste. Now we'll be adding hung curd and chopped coriander, green chilies. So let me first chop the coriander. You will give it nice and rich texture. Our chicken is being marinated. We are going to keep a second marination next to it and we'll prepare the flavorful mixture. So now we are going to prepare flavorful mixture. So for the flavorful mixture, we need ghee and we need 4 cloves. And also we're going to add 3 tablespoons of fresh cream in it. That we'll be using while preparing the chicken tikkas so that it stays nice and moist. So now we can switch on the flame and let the pan get hot. So the saucepan is hot enough. So now we'll add ghee. You just need 1 Now we have to switch on the flame and put the grill pan. After putting the grill pan, we'll put the chicken on skewers and then we'll add it in this. One by one, we'll put the chicken on skewers and make sure you don't leave any space. Otherwise, the chicken won't get cooked. Now we'll add ghee in the pan. We will cover it with a lid and wait for it to cook for a few minutes. And meanwhile, we'll also brush it with the flavorful mixture that we prepared. Now we'll again sieve. And we have to do this process a few times. Now the chicken is done. We have nice grill marks on it. So now we'll start with the plating. So our dish is ready. Now we'll taste it. It's perfectly cooked, it's juicy, it's tender, and it's giving all the flavors that a Mughlai dish should. Thank you for watching the video. If you like what I made, So this is what I learned, and this is what I'm learning here in ISCCM. If you want to pursue career in culinary arts, please join ISCCM Pune. Thank you.